In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AutoMix on Spotify. If you've ever wished your playlist felt more like a seamless DJ set, AutoMix is the feature that does exactly that. It blends tracks together so you hear fewer gaps and more smooth transitions, perfect for workouts, parties, or focused listening. Let's get you set up. Start by opening the Spotify app on your device. On the main screen, tap your profile icon to open your account options, then choose Settings and Privacy. This is where Spotify keeps all the controls that fine-tune your listening experience. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Playback. Tap on Playback to open the audio behavior options. This area controls things like gapless playback, crossfade, and of course, AutoMix. Inside Playback, look for AutoMix. When you see it, toggle it on. That's it. AutoMix doesn't need any extra configuration. If you don't see the AutoMix option yet, don't worry. Features like this sometimes roll out gradually by region or device, so make sure your app is updated to the latest version and check back later if needed. Now, play a playlist or album as you normally would. When AutoMix is supported for those tracks, Spotify will automatically blend transitions between songs so the shift from one track to the next feels natural and continuous. You might notice subtle overlaps, beat matching, or reduced silence between songs depending on the playlist and the tracks themselves. A few important things to keep in mind: AutoMix works best on Spotify curated playlists, where songs are selected and ordered with transitions in mind. Not every song supports seamless mixing, so you may still hear standard gaps on certain tracks or personal playlists. And for the smoothest results, make sure you have a stable internet connection, since AutoMix relies on online processing. Here's a quick tip to enhance the effect even more. In the same playback settings, enable crossfade and choose a fade duration. Something like 5 to 10 seconds is a good starting point. Crossfade fades the end of one song into the beginning of the next, which complements AutoMix and helps maintain momentum between tracks. With AutoMix turned on, your music will flow with minimal silence, giving you a polished, DJ-like listening experience without any extra effort. Try it with different moods and genres to see which playlists sound best. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Spotify tips and tutorials.